How to set Roblox status to offline. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this informative video presentation, we'll explore the feasibility of configuring our Roblox status to appear offline. So let's delve into this intriguing topic to ascertain whether such a feature is indeed attainable. To begin, I'm currently navigating to the Roblox website, and you can replicate this process by accessing the platform on either of your computer or the mobile device. Initially, direct your attention to the gear icon situated at the top right corner of the screen. Subsequently, opt for the Settings option drop-down menu. Within the Settings interface, proceed to the Privacy tab. Scroll down until you locate the section pertaining to Who Can Message You. Here, you have the opportunity to modify the settings to No One by simply clicking on it and selecting the corresponding option from the drop-down menu. Additionally, ensure that all the other settings are adjusted to restrict communication from others. These alterations will be promptly implemented once you designate No One from the drop-down menu and trust the rest through the Roblox to finalize the adjustments. The rationale behind recommending these notifications is due to the current limitation within the Roblox. Presently, attempting to conceal or set it as offline proves unattainable. While you can inhibit communication, as demonstrated in this video, the capacity to exhibit a completely offline status remains unachievable. Notably, when engaged in a game or Roblox, fellow users will still be able to discern the specific game or experience you're immersed in. Your recourse is to block communications to avoid unwanted interactions. However, the option to entirely conceal your online presence remains elusive. The purpose of disseminating this video is not to provide misinformation, but to enlighten individuals about the inherent constraints regarding appearing offline on Roblox. If this elucidation has addressed any queries you harbored, kindly express your support by liking and subscribing for additional expedient tips. Your viewership is greatly appreciated.